Okay, sorry, video was not recording, not yet. So the next step, what we need to do, all of you guys, I need to go for the Gmail. Will you sort of make it thumbs up? Because now I cannot see it, but he can see that are you all in?
Not yet, we're getting there.
Okay, will you tell me when you are in? Because I'll start it just after that.
No problem. 2 minutes.
Yep. Eli olet omalla sisällä. So please log in, all of you guys log in.
Siis on vähän se oma syy. Lautaan tänne laittaa pizzaa online. Joo, mulla poltti. No, mä en saa semmoista paikalla, mitä polttiin, jos kuljettaa. Ja niin, jos sulla tulee nälkä, niin sitten voit teurastaa vähän lampaa.
But we are still online.
Niin. Still on.
Ei se päälle, pitää toi tinkling.
Okay.
Okay, so next, what you need to do, you will see when you are logged into your Gmail account, you will see in here up corner there is 9 dots. Click on those, and you see the Gmail, Drive, etc. Draw it down.
Blocker.
And click on Blocker. Huh, interesting.
I have blocker.
Oh.
I'm in blocker now.
Okay, this is pretty interesting. This is my Omnias account, and I'm pretty sure that I did this last time through this Omnias account. Is it me who needs to change?
Yes.
Okay, I'm so sorry. So then I need to block out, and then I'm heading in with a different count. It should not take. I'm so sorry. I didn't test that.
What the hell?
This is my professional account, so don't worry, even though you are able to see the material in here. So again, 9 points, scroll it down, go for the blocker. Mine, because I have already quite many counts, I'm able to go directly to blocker, but I presume most of you guys, when you clicked on blocker, you need to have create a new block. Create a new block, and quite often if you're a new user, you need to sign in twice. So are we all in the blocker at the moment?
Yes.
Okay, then you don't have any counts. So in here in the corner, you see arrow, and then you should have next to it, it's create a new block. So the title, so now you was brainstorming, I recommend you use the same title you are thinking about. So for me, it's just, for sure, I think that I don't get it. For those, I'll try. I'll put info. So most of you guys, I hope you will use your own names. Even the title, use your own names. You can change that later on. Have a look over there. Have a look over there, and you will see. Title your own name. So just making sure that I think now one of our students has problems. Every single one of your students are in here. So address, I recommend you will use your own name again. Try it at least. I know that my name, it's most likely, I will use the numbers, which I do not recommend any of you guys use the numbers. Then if they say that the block address is available, just click any of those. I like this one and we will change this later on. Okay, so far. Click on and then accept it. Create the block. Do not have a look of those. We changed the themes. So title, your name. Block address, your name.
Right.
And then create the block. Okay, then you should have this, all the list. First, we will head to settings. One moment. Eli kirjoita sinne oma nimi, eli oma nimi, ylempää oma nimi ja sitten ota se blokkeri. Klik vaan yhteen ja sitten eteenpäin. Create the block.
Mikä?
Siinä on.
No, niin, ota se sitten.
Mene settings, mutta mä en näe.
Luo.
Joo, mä näen. Älä ota sitä, vaan klik.
Luo.
Yes, please. Ota toi kaksi.
Oi, siitä settings.
Joo.
Brilliant. So, everyone is okay? Will you put the thumbs up that I know that everything is okay? Who is missing? Okay, I'm asking now Vamia. I'm asking now Trele. Everything is okay? You are on this spot? Okay, then there's the students. Vamia, are you okay? Okay.
We are working on it. Just few minutes. Like
Okay, no worries. So, do you have any problems? Should I sort of repeat some of the steps?
There's no problem, but the name is I think already taken, so I have to change my name here.
Okay, so change the order of your name.
Okay.
Or if you have second names, put your second name on it. Okay? Can I continue?
Do you already have? Ravi?
Yes.
How about Abby?
Yeah.
Yes, we have it.
Okay, awesome. So now, first, like I said, we go for the settings. And as you see, the title is over here. Title is easy to change any time. So if I would not like my name and I like info, this is not info, I could change it. So title, you can change anytime. So description, so we are creating more than one page, meaning that description, whatever you would write there, it comes up in the every single page. Normally descriptions, they could be that this is the school's working platform, this is my portfolio. But I think if I have seen my students when they are started creating this one, perhaps even 80% of them, they don't describe anything. It's completely empty. So this next one, it's again the block address. If you would change this, you would have difficulties. Of course, you would have the possibility, but I would keep it the same as long you keep using for this block. Then we scroll it down for a little bit. And these are piilota. So edit. We are going to use the public version. So every single one is going to see that what you are writing. But if this would like to change it, there is two other options. This private, only the blog's authors. This is most private one. So I would say no one would not find it if you will put it for this one. Private, and the other readers, it's the you need to add the email addresses. You need to accept that you will allow them to see your page. But like I said, all of you guys, we are using this public. Then next one is the themes. Click on themes, and you see the one what you have decided to use. But we click on customize. I know some of you guys, I see it in here. This customize, it's perhaps under here. I think this is the newest version. So and then the video what I had in the blog side, it will show you what is under here. Click on customize. From the customize, the first is always the themes, and I will give you now for a couple minutes have a look what theme you would like to use. So basically have a look of different themes, have a look how do they look like, then click on next one and have a look at would I like this one. But now the main thing what you're having a look when you're having a look the themes, I think that have a look of where they are, because we will going to use our own photos. We are not going to use the ones which you will find it in here. I think the most common one is I think nobility, I think combo, I have seen it, and then there is that dynamic one. That's why often our students they use it. But you can decide whichever you would like to use it. So I will give you, let's say, 5 minutes. Have a look. Teidän ääni kuuluu. Sitko mikki on mulla tässä? Teidän ääni kuuluu. Mikä tuo Johanna vaan? Mikä tuo? Arja is taking 360 photos, so I was explaining that in between. So, have you tried different versions? Are you happy to use? Can I see the thumbs up from every single group that you are happy? If I would be you, I would not start to doing because you can't put it all the photos with what you wish for it. Sulla on, täytyy olla tietyt.
Mikä tietyt? Se on background.
Yes.
Miksi? Kui? Okei, remove.
Okay, can I go for the background? Can I explain the background? Kuka puuttuu? Secret? Can I go for the background? Okay, so the next one is the background, and as you can see, you can see a lot of different background colors. We are not going to use none of those. We click on background images, and this moment, I understand that you don't have it, I didn't give you the task. Look for one photo. So what we are going to use this time, they're going to be a food and drinks. And those are the only photos what you are able to use now. But your task is that you need to use your own photos. So basically it means that next time you have 2 weeks time between, you need to change for background photo for your own photo.
Jos me halutaan siihen jotain omia kuvia, niin se pitää olla joko annos, koska me ei tulla saamaan mitään nättiä kuvaa jostain. Mitään tämmöistä ei ole mahdollista onniassa tehdä. Sä saat siihen turkisia porkkanoita ja...
That's up to you. You can take it the photo from your workplace. You can take it from the photo at home, but it has to be your photo and something to do with the food. So it's something related for your personal what you are. So first, you just upload the photo from here. But again, remember that when you change the photo, the computer kind of is a little bit stupid. If you change the photo, you change all the other elements as well. So make sure that you check them afterwards. So like you see, I have only 4 in here. And some of your guys, I'm pretty sure that you decided the theme that you perhaps have 5. So again, it depends of the theme how many extra tools you will get. I like the spices, so I select spices. So select one photo from food and drink, and you need to change that photo later on. Advantages. Here you can see all the headlines, you can see the feed. You basically can control all of the elements what you have it in your website. Change the color, change the description, the font, change all of them. So but quite often the one what they are offering for you for that specific theme is the best what you can get. The last one what I have, between there it should be the line that how wide and how short the link would be. Unfortunately I don't have it because like I said, I decide to have certain theme, but you can change it in some of the cases. Here you can sort of delete some of the information like about me, so you can do a little bit changes. Just play with that, and when you are happy, apply in the block and then back the blocker. Ei muuten vaihtanut sitä. Okay, and black the blocker. So all of you guys, you have decided the theme, you have decided the photo what you are using, you have had the look of the, if you would like to change any of the colors, and those all are okay. So next, we are heading to pages. Pages. So say yes, used in blocker. Hey, say apply, used in blocker.
Team applied. Team. Teme.
Takaisin blokkeriin, Popinska. Joo. Next we go for the pages.
Miten mä...
Okay, now we create first page. And later on, you're going to create all 5 different pages out of the models. The first one is personal branding. So are we all in here? So pages, new page. Thumbs up if we are here. So yeah, but I would like to hear it from here. Are they okay? Okay. All of you guys, are you in the spot pages, create new page? Secret? Vamia?
Just 1 minute here in Tralee, Una. 1 minute.
Okay. Did you show how did I get it there? So
Okay, all in now.
okay. So next it means that we all have in here, so we went to pages, create new page. The first page name, it will be a personal branding and marketing. Oho. Se on hyvä, kun ei näe. Mä lukeekin vielä. Helvetti, kun ei näe. Marge.
Sulla on G siellä. Eikö sun marketing?
Se on M-A-R-G, joo. Niin on, mutta kun mä en näe. Personal branding and marketing. Okay. And actually in here, you're going to have some of the tasks, meaning that you're going to write it under here. So we're going to create from all of the models, as you see it in here. We're going to create, then afterwards, when you have created the block, I would like you to sign. Yes, you say save and publish. Not yet. Then create new page.
Save. Publish.
And next one is local food and creating menus. Create new page. Local food creating menus. Kato tuo taululta. Local food creating menus.
Siinäkin. Save. Publish.
Next, sustainable gastronomy. Next, traditional and professional cooking skills with modern technology. So traditional and professional cooking skills with modern technology. And then the last one is plant-based diet. And then now you should have 5 of them. And I actually realized yesterday that I missed one completely. So I would like to have the last page called open patches.
Mikä? Patches.
Pätkäs.
Patches.
So did you was able to create all of those 6 pages? Thumbs up.
Okay, can we have another 2 minutes here? In Tralee? Keep going, let's keep creating, keep saving.
Open patches. Open patches.
Excuse me, what was the last page?
Open patches. People to write open patches.
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 Ota vaan se patches. Se on open B.
Open patches, ne ei ole pages, patches. Patches. Open patches.
Eikö se ole B-A-D? B-A-D.
Pages.
Sitäkö se tarkoittaa?
Patches on
Patches.
Mikä on patches suomeksi? Siis
Batch on niinku...
Osaamismerkki.
niin just. Siis jos se on niinku food patches, eikö ne voi olla niinku pintat on määriä?
Okay, just give us another 1 minute here, Una, please.
So no worries. So just that all of you guys understood. So they are open patches, the last page.
Muuten kaikki.
Mulla ei voi nyt mitään.
So just give me thumbs up when you are in the okay. While we are waiting, all the others, I would like to you to go view block, click on right hand side. You have 2 tabs. So leave it the other one open and then create.
Täällä ei ole mitään.
Mitä?
I know.
Siis Siis tosta.
Right click ja avaa linkki uudessa välineessä. Ai joo.
Yes.
Jos tarvitset painaa sitä, kun sä
Tee.
painat sitä, niin se avaa kuitenkin yhden.
No niin, tiedä. Ai.
Are we okay, Maris?
Okay, all good now, all good.
Okay. So the next one, what like I said, all of you guys would like to click on view block, click on right, and then you see what you have created. And as you should see, you haven't created nothing yet because you haven't clicked the pages to your theme. So therefore, we go next to layouts. Layouts. Under the pages, there is layouts.
Layout.
So
Favicon.
Next, you will see, like I say, it depends on the themes. We are looking for now the add catget. So those catgets links to your pages. You link them together. So it's depending where you would like to put them and depending of your layout. Some of you guys could have it in this side as well. So it's depending where you would like to have it. So of course I would like to have it in here. Click on that. And when you do this first time, so you need to have a look at the pages and then there is a plus. So click on plus.
Yes, mä laitan noin kaikki siihen.
Yeah, and then afterwards you have a look that you created. I just created one. So you have created all of them. Make the tick on them. And then now when you have a lot of them, you are able to change the order. So they are drag and drop. You are able to drag and drop them. But because I have only one, I can't. Then when you have done that, save. And afterwards, have a look of your blog now. Remember, and if you decided to have the same what I'm having now, only way how you can see it is that you click on those lines, because this theme, it's only way that it's only in this corner. Yeah, no, it depends of the theme. This is theme is that what you decided to have. Okay, so next we come back. Are we okay with this? Thumbs up.
About me.
Can we go back to the first instruction?
Vamia, okay?
No.
No.
Okay, so what do you need?
Can we go back to the first one?
What do you mean?
There was a gadget.
Okay. So add to the gadget, and then you have that drawing board. So you have a look where is the pages, and always when you do this first time, you need to put plus for the pages. Then you have the list of the. So you just created those pages. I just have one, but you should have 6 of them. Tick all of them, and then put save. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, now clear.
Secret. Okay. Maurice. Okay.
Can you see your blog now?
Mitä se kysyi? I didn't hear what you said. Sami, oliko teillä?
Ei kun, meillä on ihan ok nyt.
Okei. Sulla on mikki päällä, niin mä kuulen sen tekstin sen.
Put the mic off.
Okay. So afterwards, like I told you at the start, that hopefully you all of you guys, you have your Facebook, and all of you guys, you will have your personal photos. I don't know now Secret, and I don't know Mary's. Did you have the chance to take those photos?
We do not have the photo yet. We have agreed with Michael that they will take it in the school restaurant kitchen next Wednesday.
Okay, so then I will actually show it how to do it, and then you will create it later on. What about Maurice?
The photos are going to be taken and they'll be put up thereafter when they're taken.
So you haven't. Do you have any presuming timeline?
Within the next week or so.
Within the next week, because they're not technically back until the 20th, but within the next week.
Okay, fine. So basically now Vamia's people and then Onia's guys, you have the photos. Yes, and you have the text. What we do next, and this is the only time when we are actually using a blog post. So we go all the way top. There's the post, and there is new post. And for here, what I would like you to write first your name.
Sorry, Ina, we have a question.
When you were in the layout page at the top, did you press save arrangement before you went into the posts?
You need to save them. But before you entering the post, no, afterwards. Okay, but I'll go backwards, just making sure that you guys know what you need to do.
If you don't mind, Una, just
No worries.
steps.
Ja nyt suomalaiset on ihan...
Like the last page, where you were in the heading of layout, and at the very top.
Okay, no worries.
before you went back into posts.
Okay, no worries.
Your sidebar and subscription. Did you press save arrangement?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
No worries. Did you was able to get it now? Just repeat, I could have a look, so you guys. So you go for the layout, wherever you have those gadgets. Plus for the page. And then here, when you have ticked them, you need to put the save. The other ways, you don't save anything. You have just seen it, the page. Then we went to the posts. And now every single one, I hope that, well, I'll start it. But what you do, you go for the new posts. And like I said, you do this only once. All the other information, you need to create it that page where it belongs. So first, you could put info or you could put your name. I normally, that our students, they have created, they started with the name. And here, most of you, I think all of you guys, you already write something in a Facebook. So now, if you are lazy, go back to your Facebook. Remember, it's under intro.
Just copy it.
And copy the text. You need to create it a little bit better because some of them was just hello, hello, and perhaps I'm a little bit late. But basic text is over there. So then you just create it out of your head. So basically what it's the blog post. Joo, but create it that it looks nice. Now it's like, make it breaks or do something like, put it hello first or something like that. Can I use yours? Valdemar, can I use yours?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. So basically, like I said, all of you guys have write already something. Just copy it. Put it in here, and then like here it's hello. Of course, make the breaks. Culinary on. Okay. After, now this goes to secrets and Marie's. I know that you guys don't have a photo, so what could you do? I think it's wise. Okay, I would say for all of you guys, Omnia and Vamia as well. So now we just leave it in here. Take the new page, Google your school, or Google Omnia and logo. I like this one. And then in here in this corner, I think it's, you could copy the photo. I think it's snip in English. It's, I think it's called snip. In Finnish is kuvan kaappaus. But because there is, and most of the computers, at least I haven't seen none of the computers who would not have this app. Click on that, new, and why I want to use this one, it's just that you see that you basically can steal any photo everywhere you wish. There is no text, no photo, what you could not steal. And that's why you have to be sure that what you are posting. And then you have taken the photo and just save it for your computer.
Oona, if I may, in our case, we always recommend to use the official logo from the school webpage for the students, it is available there in the right format and file.
Yeah. Well, that's correct in our case if we're talking about logo, but I just wanted to take the logo because I would like you to show the photo that you are able to take.
Mhm.
You can
Okay.
use your
Understood.
professional photo, it's okay. But
Yeah.
because Omnia students and Vamia students, they have the professional photos, so they are actually using those.
Mhm.
The main thing that you know how to hijack the photo, like from your workplace, if it's not available any other ways, and then you use CC license and say that this photo is actually taken from there. And but logo wise, yes, I would be saying same thing. Don't worry.
Understood. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. So, but anyways, Omnias and Vamia students. Now the others, they are using the photo what they took, but you guys use your photo. So the photo which is, you can find it in our Facebook page. Or if you got it already. Yes. And which photo I can use? Whose photo I can use?
Una, I have a question here.
Yeah.
Sorry. Go.
Essentially, when you cropped the picture that you took from your website,
Yeah.
what was the name of the application on the computer you said you used?
It's a snip.
Snip. Thank you.
No worries. I'll say something in Finnish really fast. Toi työkalu on kaappaus, kuvan kaappaus. Että on teille vaan opiksi, että te osaatte ottaa niitä kuvia. Te käytätte sen teidän omaa henkilökohtaista kuvaa. Eli professional photo.
Joo, no, mä pystyn menemään sen mun Facebookiin tähän jostain syystä.
Okay, but then you need to do it later on. I would recommend that you would do it now because then you have a lot of things later on.
En niin, mutta siitä ei ole mitään hyötyä, jos mä en pääse sinne. Mä laitan siihen oikean salasanan koko ajan ja oikean käyttäjätunnuksen. Se ei pääse mun sisään.
Look at this professional guy.
Very professional.
So what we do actually next, what I would like you guys to do, there is the photo. So upload or choose from here. I thought that I put it in here.
Siis laitetaan Omnia vai se kuva?
You put the professional photo, not Omnia. You put the professional photo if you have it.
Mä laitoin sen mun profiilikuvan.
Mäkin laitoin.
Yes, you can put it for both of them, but
Okay.
it's important that it's the front of the page. You will see your photo. And now I don't have no idea where did I put it.
Mä haluaisin edes vähän professionaalimman kuvan, kun jossain green screenillä. Kokkaan, hei. Sen taustalla, kun pistää siinä green screenin alla siinä, kun kiireisen salin sen taustalla.
Well, normally you don't take the behind the green screen the professional photos. Normally you take it white screen, behind it the white screen.
No white screen, the kitchen.
No, kitchen is too messy.
No, my kitchen ain't. My kitchen is that messy, it's your own problem.
All the kitchens are messy. There's too many other things behind it. Your photo would be the one. No, that's not the professional one. So you can put the those kind of photos you could put it in Instagram, but not for the front of the page normally. So when you sort of just have a look of the page and you see your clothes. Yeah, you are using Omnia's logos.
And he has a blue marker. He uses a blue marker.
That's not blue marker. Or is it blue marker? Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay, are we all in here that you have create the first blog post and you have edit a photo?
Do I press publish?
Yes. Are we okay? Can we go for the next one? Secret. Vamia. Okay, awesome. Vamia. Marie, you are not okay.
We are not yet okay. Just a bit.
Do you need help or you know how to create it?
We just put the Vami logo on the top, and we need to put our professional picture on the bottom.
The first thing is that, and most important thing is that you put your professional photo under the description that you say, hello, my name is this and this. Those are more important. Then the Vamia you can put it later on, as long you know how to do it.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. And then the last one, what we need to do, it's the all of the like here he says that he is from Omnia Vocational College. So underline all of you guys. I presume you write it somewhere that from which school or college you are from. Underline that. Click on link, and in our case it's www.omnia.fi. You can test. Ei saa yhteyttä. I have one W more. No classes again. And then okay. So and after you have done that, Omnia, have you done it?
Yes.
Did you put the link? Active link?
No.
So the last thing is that you need to do the active link.
How do I do it? Sorry.
You underline like and link. And this is just for the future. I know the videos are not ready not yet, and I actually would like them to put for the web page in professional branding and marketing, but it's work same. So what you need to do, do not use that compose, use HTML, click on that one and then put it under here, the code what you will getting from the YouTube. The other ways it would not work well. And
Sorry, Una, could you just repeat that last piece you spoke about there, please?
okay. So when I'll go directly where you're going to put it. So next time when you need to use your pages, so here is you have the list of the pages and you put edit. So they're going to be a tasks that you need to do that CV video. And when you put this CV video in this blog page, do not put it from this way. This is now the compose. Put this, click HTML, and then you get it here. And under here you put it the code. Then the video out of the YouTube, it works correctly. Wait, I will show you. I'll just take the first one, and this is from the Guild School. It doesn't matter. So you share it from here, and I'm doing this link now. So normally it's always in here. When you are writing, you're writing from this format. But when you are adding videos, you need to go here, and then you just put it, update, And then now if I would go back there, it works well. Okay?
No, me sinne, minä olen siis valitsin just se layout, just, ei joku teme. Kustomais.
Mistä sä näit sen?
Muokkaa. Siis me sinne herran jumalasta
Okay, the Finnish one we could have it later and I will explain, but I would like to make sure that all the others, the partners, you are okay. So you know how to edit a photo, you know how to edit video. Sami,
Sami is not here.
yeah, I know, but it's Sami then. Are you okay? You know how to edit the video, you know how to edit a photo.
Oh no, not the video.
Okay, I will create a link how to edit the video, so no worries. Make now that you are
Using YouTube. The video so that I had to go here.
What about Marie?
Yes, all good here.
Okay, Sigrid, you said everything is okay? Yes, okay. All right. The next, what we need to do now, you have a you have created a blog. So you need to go back to the info, copy this what you have created, and please, guys, paste it in the personal branding. So click on the personal branding, and then I just would like each and everyone just post it in here. Okay, boys?
And I'm helping Ella.
Okay. It looks like that we are a little bit running out of the time, and I would like to go still one step further because you need to start to do that personal videos, and it's quite important that we go through that one. The other ways I would give you a break. But what I would like to have you guys do now, it's copy your blog address, post it in Facebook now.
Roger. Taste future cooking.
Yes, and then you go, this is personal branding. So click on personal branding. Have a look here. Here, personal branding, click on that, and under this, you post it. You see, we have it already one. Shannon, thank you. So when you click, they are fine. But normally when you click those video clips, wait for a while, that click empty, and then you have the whole first look.
Se ei tullutkaan minä. Onko mun ihan kunnossa? On tää kyllä hyvä. Vois kopioida sitä suoraan.
Most likely it's okay, but you just did not click on empty one. Because when you post, they are both, I'm pretty sure that they are working well. But when you post something, links, you need to put empty gap between, so then you see the post directly in Facebook. The other is you can't see it. Okay, before we start the last session, I think it's really wise that we have 5 minutes break, that the guys, they are, So 5 minutes starting now.